Hello, welcome to Bali. In previous vlogs we went to Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali with its arts and crafts. Beautiful palaces and temples. Ancient forests with monkeys. The Ricefields of Ubud are among the most beautiful in Bali. We also visited a number of crater lakes in the north of Bali, and we visited a water palace. Today we go deep into the jungle, in the beautiful nature of Munduk and its surroundings. Nature in Bali consists of Plumeria Rubra, also called the temple tree or Frangipane. You can smell the scent of these decorative flowers everywhere. People make wreaths with them or serve as an offering to the gods. Orchids grow on the bark of the trees. The red hibiscus is the national flower of Malaysia and of course also numerous in Bali. Just like bamboo, mango, papaya and banana grow wild here. The jungle of Bali is also rich in cinnamon, ginger, basil, pepper and coffee plants. And the coffee is very important for Munduk. Munduk is the center for coffee roasting and we ended up here by chance. In Munduk Moding Plantation, the hotel complex has bungalows in the middle of the coffee plantations. The temperatures cool down at night to an average of 16 degrees. For our Balinese guide Agung, this was cold. The eco-resort Munduk Moding Plantation has 2 infinity pools with an amazing view over the mountains. We walk through the coffee plantation and can admire the roasting of the coffee beans up close. Mangosteen tea is also often drunk. Munduk is a stone's throw from the rice terraces of Jatiluwih. These rice fields are over 600 hectares in size and are a part of the cultural landscape that is included on the UNESCO World Heritage List. This is thanks to the traditional Subak irrigation system, a complex and sustainable irrigation system that has been used for centuries by Balinese farmers to provide their agricultural land with water. We take a bike ride through the rice fields and see how red rice is also grown here. After the rice has been harvested, the farmers set the plants on fire and they serve as fertilizer for the next planting. With the bike we sometimes have to stop to let a monitor lizard cross the road. Only the green snake and the cobra snake you have to watch out for, our guide told us. Munduk, with its untouched nature, also has many waterfalls. At this Sekumpul waterfall, there are other waterfalls, so you can combine 3 waterfalls. And these waterfalls are impressive to say the least. To get to the waterfalls, you have to make an adventurous hike through a landscape that seems to come straight out of a Jurassic Park movie. The impressive rock formations with overgrown nature and the powerful waterfalls that cascade down in between provide a breathtaking experience. But I'm sure that the water rats among you will certainly enjoy the next vlog, because we leave the jungle of Munduk and exchange it for the tropical beaches of Sanur and Nusa Penida. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss our other vlogs. Do this by clicking on subscribe below this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the south. See you in Sanur.